Ever wish your phone could turn on sleep mode by itself whenever you fall asleep? If you wear a Galaxy Watch, here's how to make it happen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Mode and Routine. In the Modes tab, tap Sleep. Tap Turn On Automatically. Under Suggested Condition section, tap Sleeping. This uses your Galaxy Watch to detect when you are asleep. If you are not wearing a watch, your phone is used instead. Next, tap Done to save. And that's it. Your phone will now automatically turn on sleep mode when your Galaxy Watch detects you are sleeping. And all the settings you have configured for sleeping mode, like Do Not Disturb, power saving, or wallpaper change, will be applied automatically. No need to set it manually each night. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.